The CIF Climate Resilient Program was very important in really supporting that building block of identifying hazard risk, improving coordination, improving the collection of hazard risk information and managing it as a key component of disaster risk reduction and climate resilience.
We were able to acquire LiDAR data for 7 sites as a matter of fact, across the Caribbean, and to do training of scientists and other data technicians in the reading, analysis, and dissecting of LiDAR data.
A supercomputer was purchased, and this has allowed the Climate Studies Group to do a lot of these localized modeling projections that are now being used by the various governments.
For Met Services, we've introduced real-time reporting on a number of the stations to better report on hydromet events and you know how prone we are to those.
I think the early warning systems and the work that we did at the Met unit in St. Lucia really did help us to be better prepared in terms of our engagement with our citizens in a pre-disaster situation.
What the CIF investment facilitated was the establishment of a hydrometeorological network for Dominica, with the procurement of 44 automated weather stations that's been installed across the island.
We now have a new building, and that building has improved the Met Service tremendously in terms of structural and in terms of instrumentation, whereby we have a structure which is very resilient and that can withstand hurricanes, and people, staff members working here would feel very safe working in this building compared to what we had before.
In addition to the building, there were also a package of equipment.
The monitoring site is an invaluable resource. First of all, it's going to act as baseline data for us, which we never had before, and it's going to act as an early warning system. So it's giving information in real time. So if there's a sudden rise in rainfall or the water level, we will be able to observe that and we'll be able to notify the relevant authorities or organizations.